Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was actually just sent this really powerful brushless angle grinder. Now this thing is super cool because everything you need, I mean absolutely everything, including all the accessories, comes packed in the box. And I want to kind of show you guys what all comes in here because I'm loving the fact that this comes in a hard case and keeps everything together, from your instruction guide to your charger, which is a nice charger, but more importantly, comes with two of these lovely batteries. These are 21 volt max, 4 amp hour lithium ion batteries, guys. Got battery indicators on there, simply lock into place, can charge those up so you can be using one while you're charging the other. They include everything, including the optional handle. You can screw that onto either side, so if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can easily screw that in so that you get that extra grip on there where you need it. And they provide you with all the tools that it takes to remove and add on different blades. So you got your wrench here that actually hooks on underneath, and your screwdriver for your adjustments of your protective guard there, which is nice. And you also get 3 different speeds. So on here, when you're going on here, you can turn this on, get it going here. There's your low speed, medium, and high speed. So that's going to allow you a lot of versatility with that as well. And they provide you with a multitude of blades to get you started. These are blades to cut through high steel, metal cutting on that. You've also got some grinding blades here for metal and iron grinding. You've got some hard disk sanding blades and another cutting blade for high performance. So you get a lot of this kit that you can easily get started to cut and grind your way through pretty much any project that you want. And being as it's a standard size, you can easily buy replacement blades anywhere from like Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, wherever. So that's great on that part as well. And then everything can pack down nicely into this kit. This is going to work really well being a brushless motor, so it's going to have a long life with it. And with these 2 batteries, you'll be grinding for days.